Teams are hitting 5 times productivity gains right now, using technologies most people don't even know exist. Here are the 9 trends making it happen. Trend 1, AI integrated workflows. AI integrated workflows are completely replacing scattered tools. What we're seeing is the death of tool switching. Instead of juggling pandas, scikit-learn, and visualization libraries separately, AI-powered IDEs like Cursor, GitHub Copilot for data science, and platforms like Databricks Unity Catalog with AI Assistant now provide seamless AI guidance at every step. Replit, Observable, Jupyter AI, and Strata Notebooks AI are enabling end-to-end workflows where the AI suggests code, catches errors, and optimizes performance automatically. Here's an example of how this works in Strata Notebooks AI. The AI creates code and performs EDA on the project dataset. With these tools, organizations are creating pipelines that adapt, optimize, and even debug themselves. This isn't just convenience, it's a fundamental shift in how data science gets done. Second, vector databases are exploding everywhere. Pinecone, Weaviate, and Chroma are delivering 60% faster retrieval times compared to traditional relational databases for similarity search tasks. Industry reports show semantic analysis and recommendation queries that previously required complex joins and full table scans now happen instantly with vector indexing. This is revolutionizing recommendation engines, search systems, and any application dealing with embeddings or semantic relationships. Trend 3, real-time ML by default. Real-time ML inference is achieving millisecond latency. K-Serve and Selden Core are making model deployment trivial. Feast and Tecton are solving real-time feature stores, and platforms like Materialize and ClickHouse enable instant analytics on streaming data. Organizations are reporting fraud detection, equipment monitoring, and personalization happening in real time instead of batch processing. This shift from delayed insights to instant decision-making is transforming entire business models. Trend 4, low-code data science. Low-code platforms are creating a 200% increase in citizen data scientists. DataRobot, H2O.ai, and obviously AI are democratizing advanced analytics, while Amazon SageMaker Canvas and Hex make collaborative data science accessible to non-technical users. What we're seeing is domain experts building sophisticated models without deep programming knowledge. Marketing teams, operations managers, and subject matter experts are now creating predictive models directly, bypassing traditional bottlenecks. Fifth, MLOps automation is delivering 10 times faster deployment. Kubeflow, MLflow, and weights and biases are automating the entire model lifecycle, while DVC and ClearML handle data versioning, grade expectations, and evidently monitor data quality. And platforms like Metaflow and Vertex AI orchestrate end-to-end pipelines. Industry reports show model versioning, monitoring, retraining, and deployment happening without human intervention. What used to take weeks of manual work now happens automatically, keeping models current and performant. Trend 6, cloud-native platforms. Cloud-native environments are reducing overhead by 40%. AWS SageMaker, Google Vertex AI, and Azure ML provide end-to-end platforms. Databricks and Snowflake unify analytics and storage. dbt and Fivetran automate data pipelines, while Hugging Face and Modal make model deployment effortless. Organizations are reporting teams focusing entirely on insights rather than infrastructure. These platforms handle everything from data storage to model serving, enabling data scientists to work at much higher levels of abstraction. Trend 7, collaborative analytics. Collaborative platforms are accelerating projects by 35%. Hex, DeepNote, and Observable create shared workspaces. Databricks and Google Colab enable real-time notebook collaboration. Streamlit, Gradio, and Hugging Face spaces make model demos instantly shareable, while Retool and Mode Analytics connect data teams directly with business stakeholders. What we're seeing is dramatic improvements in project transparency, knowledge sharing, and the ability to iterate quickly with immediate feedback from business users. No more email chains or version control nightmares. Trend 8, LLM-powered analytics. LLM integration is cutting documentation time by 50%. GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT, and Claude handle code generation and analysis. ThoughtSpot, Julius, and DataChat enable conversational analytics. AI2, SQL, and SQL Chat automate query writing, while Jupyter AI and Mintlify assist with documentation and explanation. Industry reports show natural language database querying, automatic code generation for common tasks, and AI assistants explaining complex analyses in plain English. This is making data science more accessible and interpretable for non-technical stakeholders. Trend 9. Edge-first AI. Edge computing is achieving 90% latency reduction. NVIDIA Jetson, Intel OpenVINO, and TensorFlow Lite enable real-time inference on devices. Organizations are reporting breakthrough performance in autonomous vehicles, industrial monitoring, and mobile applications that make intelligent decisions without cloud connectivity. This is bringing AI to where data is actually generated. These trends are transforming data science into something more powerful than ever. Start experimenting now to stay ahead. Drop a comment with which trend excites you most, and subscribe for more industry insights.